Rhea, you eat the turkey that Eddie made. Si Rhea.
Pero kasi ang kalimutan.
Miss Banaki don't like the turkey? Why?
Even the duck or the goat? No.
That's my favorite. I mean the duck, di ba?
The duck, the patiking. Nagsaong ka sa patiking duck.
Yeah.
Peking duck and the goat. I don't care. Bahala sa ila.
Delicious.
Kaya magkaon lang kitang halo, ibig.
The turkey is delicious.
No.
No?
No.
Even the cream sauce there that Eddie made. Right, Rex?
Yeah.
You like it, Rex?
Yeah. So, I finished already selling this potatoes. You ask Tita.
Potatoes for what? Potato salad na?
Potato salad.
Potato salad yan?
Kung salad, itingga na si
Why?
Taton is like ito,
Why do you cook potato salad?
by cubes, or what kind of slice.
Why do you know how to cook it?
Huh?
Do you know how to cook it?
No. I do not want to cook this one.
Why?
I want to take rice. Because I felt so very tired. How much work did you do? There's many. Laundry, the clothes, the tablecloth,
Then?
and I'm sitting straight now.
Yeah. Miss Banak is my favorite talaga.
Did you hear that?
What?
Ay,
Hear that?
sabi ni Rex hindi ka kuno pretty.
Even I am very too ugly. I accept that. But I have a truly party heart.
So you face the camera.
No.
Asa na si Betty Lama?
Betty?
Betty.
Lama.
What's your full name, Miss Betty?
Huh?
What's your full name,
Yeah,
Miss
Betty.
Ugly Betty.
Calling
Much.
Betty Solyekis. Betty Galvez Yoda Solyekis. Okay.
Are you already viewed that?
Haciendera.
Sindira. No. Munog baligya assault.
Anong assault?
I don't know. What is assault? It's the salt, not assault.
Pwede ya.
Anong assault yun?
Salt.
As in,
Ah, it's
Kaya ang manong kagot, ang manong English yan, ang salt deliver. Kagot means, magano bala, basta akong atin lang na, kundi masalagi pa rin nangan. Yan ko sa mo siya nga para,
I don't know that.
so,
that's why you have to know it.
What's your
you go to the fish
I
pan
don't know that.
and observe the
Kaya
people who gather salt and pour it in the stock and sell it to the market.
That's all?
That's
Where?
all.
Yung fish pan?
Yeah.
Over there.
Salt bed.
Over there.
Oh, yeah.
In-
Pero dire ya wala. Di po. Sa kalilig. Kaya bala mo hindi na makakatapso ang tubig. When Mr. Berta not arrived, Miss Berta he dried the test pan and then they put a telephone bed and and make salt.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Betty, wait.
you observe that.
Do you have a business?
No.
Do you have a business?
No, I
Okay.
have no business. Monkey business.
You know the potatoes, so boy? You wanna eat the potatoes? They're gonna cook ano? No, not French fries.
Butangan lang ng mayonnaise, then chicken,
Yeah, potato salad.
chicken manure.
Potato salad. Chicken manure.
Habang manure. The old man
The old man is what?
is looking angry for me. For my ginaga. Mag-augta sila sa akon. Nga nag-augta, nga nag-straight.
Miss Banak, you tell me about your boyfriend.
Banak.
Miss Banak, you tell me about your boyfriend.
Away na boyfriend.
What did you do?
Wala lang.
Ano to? Mamang Miss Bani.
What?
Miss Beauty. Ano ba kanina yung hihinigan? Miss Beauty, what is your name?
Miss,
Oh,
Miss Betty, what is your name?
Ha? Ano? Masiling ka nga.
Sige, you speak English.
I am Betty Solietes.
Why are you laughing?
Because I'm so very happy today. Uy, di ba tingin ay mami mo to?
Yeah.
Muagid ako karon, nagagagag ka. Sobra pa, hypocrite. Don't erase that.
Yeah.
Don't erase that. Ha? Mark my words. Naghihimo niya na yung ginagagagaga na yun.
It's okay. No, it's not gagagagahab. Because if I miss her, if I miss her,
Maripol niya
I
po.
will.
yeah, I will remember her.
I will remember Miss Bana.
I will remember Miss Bana.
Tingnan naman dahil mang, amunin mang, ang timbang dito ni mama amin nga. Gano'n mo nga, watatot, what?
Miss Bana, siguro you, you make suyop marijuana.
Waya.
Kaya lapit ko mabugas.
Uy, diyok mo, simba ko ha.
Because you keep on laughing and laughing.
Amog ginayang ako niya, kwan.
Personality.
Amog ginaya. Ugoy, magsuyop ka man sa naya. Kawuro.
No, ah.
Why did you know? Ko kakita sa ngitura sila. Promise. Promise gano'n.
You don't.
Why?
Okay, that's good.
Why, get? Amo
What-
lang na galing.
What about the potatoes there? What do you do with that? Yan. Yan.
I don't know.
Because, Mama Ami,
Tita says that I feel already that
potato,
then set
salad.
aside. You set aside lang.
Hey, Chalita. Hi. Ata, finish na.
Ah,
Finish na ang interview mo.
tapos na eh.